In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove a dependency in ClickUp in just 5 minutes. Let's start by opening up the ClickUp platform, your all-in-one work app. First things first, you need to sign into your account. Go to the ClickUp website and click on the login button. Now this is where you'll be prompted to enter your email address. Make sure you type in the one associated with your ClickUp account. After you've entered your email, the next step is to input your password. Remember, your password is case sensitive, so type it in exactly as it was set. Having trouble remembering your password? ClickUp does offer a password reset option right from this screen. Once you've successfully entered your login information, it's time to access your workspace by clicking on the login button. This should take you straight to the home page of your workspace. It's here in your digital workspace where all the magic happens, from managing tasks to collaborating with your team. Now let's dive into the heart of today's tutorial, removing a dependency. To get started, navigate to the specific team space where your task is located. ClickUp is designed to be highly customizable, so your workspace might look a little different from others. After selecting the team space, you'll then need to select the task that has the dependency you wish to remove. Tasks in ClickUp are the building blocks of your projects, so knowing how to manage them efficiently is key to a streamlined workflow. Once you have your task open, look for the three-dot icon, usually found at the top or bottom corner of the task window. Clicking on this icon will open a menu with various options. From this menu, you will select Dependencies. Dependencies are what ClickUp uses to show the relationship between tasks, indicating which tasks need to be completed before others can begin. Upon clicking Dependencies, you'll be taken to a view where you can see all the linked dependencies for that particular task. It's here where you can assess which dependencies are currently impacting your task's timeline or sequence. Finding and clicking on the dependency you wish to remove is your next step. Dependencies in ClickUp can take on several forms, but they all serve to connect tasks in a meaningful way, ensuring your projects proceed in an orderly fashion. However, when plans change or tasks evolve, removing a dependency may become necessary to update and reflect the current scope of work accurately. After successfully removing the unwanted dependency, take a moment to review the task and the overall project timeline. Removing a dependency can have a ripple effect, potentially altering deadlines or the order in which tasks need to be completed. It's always a good practice to communicate any changes with your team to ensure everyone is on the same page. And that wraps up our quick guide on removing a dependency in ClickUp. Remember, mastering ClickUp's features allows you and your team to remain flexible and efficient, whether you're adjusting to new project timelines or simply refining your workflow. Regularly reviewing and managing your task dependencies ensures that your projects stay on track, even as priorities shift. Thanks for joining me in today's tutorial. I hope you found these steps easy to follow and that they help you manage your ClickUp workspace more effectively. Stay productive and see you in the next video.